Is it true? Much still has far. Yeah. Can I put my? Is it true? Much still has far. Yeah. Can I put my? Is it true? Much still has far.
Hey guys, my name is Dylan, and today I'll be doing my channel story project for the channel story exploratory. So today I'll be doing puzzles, not jigsaw puzzles, just to be clear. 3-dimensional puzzles that legit have twists and turns in them. So it'll be like keys and like to bring the keys apart, stuff like that. So today I'll be doing this. It's called the King Piece puzzle. I got it recently from Barnes & Noble. It's a good place to get these puzzles, and I'm really excited to do it, so let's hop into the video. Hey guys, here's the puzzle. So I have a timer set out just so I can track the time, and let's get into the puzzle. So let's hit start and let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is that this bottom spins and 360, but if you also hear, like if you can hear, like if I spin it, there's that thing that's knocking. So like, okay, I feel like there's like something blocking this from turning. Okay, now I have to like shake it a little bit for it to turn, like give it a little bit of a nudge. Maybe there's like something that's, I don't know. Maybe there's like a piece that's just like out a little bit. I don't know. I also noticed that there's cracks in here suggesting turning. Oh, okay, so that pushes down and that twists right there, like in like that half mass form. Okay, that's interesting. I can't get back up again. Okay, okay, that's interesting. So like, oh, and you can do that too, I guess. Well, okay. So we have this part that turns right here, and then we have this up here. It's not, when it's all the way up, it's not turning, but when it's like down there, it turns like just a little bit, and it's like there's a lot of resistance to it. So maybe I just like get down here and just keep turning it, and it just shoots back up. Maybe that's a pattern. Maybe like when it shoots back up, that means that's like a sign of something. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's nothing else here. So it's just this thing. And from the package, there's actually supposed to be a coin in here. There's a coin inside this bottom part because in the picture it has this. So I think I can see right here. It has like, it's like where you can remove the coin. So what I'm suspecting is that this comes off and there's a coin like in a pocket in here somewhere. And also like I don't know. I feel like whenever I'm turning it there's like resistance right here. So does that mean something? Maybe that thing I have to like, maybe there's like something sticking out here that's preventing me from pulling this out. I think that's pretty obvious right from what has happened so far. I don't know, could be anything. Sometimes the things for these puzzles, when you get stuck, you get super triggered and like you want to like throw the puzzle at the wall or something. I'm not saying that I haven't, but like it's pretty frustrating. This is actually a level 3 out of 6, so this is like mediocre easy. There's a whole series of these. There's a pawn, there's a bishop, there's a queen, there's a knight, but the only problem is they're like super expensive. It's like 40 bucks, so I can only get one, so why not just get the best one? What was that? Okay, that's just that getting stuck. Oh, that's interesting. So like I had turned that at like a half, like where it's kind of like halfway there, and I was just playing around and it stops and it pops back up. So I don't know how that works, and I'm pretty confused. It's a level 3 puzzle, so I've done harder, so this should be over 10 minutes, I would say. I don't know, depends. Sometimes people just get lucky. I just like the design of this. Like honestly, if this just sits on my shelf, I can just be like, I don't know, it's really nice. 40 bucks well spent. What is it? Oh, okay, something minor, just like popping out and blocking it. That's why, like, because when I push this down, I can move it. When I pull it all the way up, I can't move. Yeah, it's stuck. So maybe there's like something sticking out. See, whenever I like turn it here from half, it keeps turning, pops up. So I don't know if I have to do that like I have to sequence it or something. Probably overthinking it or something. I don't know. There's many things. Yeah, see, now it won't turn. No, that's good stuff. Pretty dumb. I can't think. See, I'm just spinning this, like, just keep spinning. Wait. felt something. Something just clicked right there. What was that? Oh, oh no, this one moves. Oh! Okay, so yeah, okay. Sorry, my SD card actually ran out, so it cut me out in the middle. Pretty sure I still have the time. Yeah, okay. So basically, yeah, it didn't catch my full reaction, but like, or you guys didn't get to see it, but the coin was in here, so there's like a little container, it's hollowed out. This had like demon symbol on it. I don't know, none of that. I don't know. You gotta tell me what that means. And then it had like this king picture with like a crown, the word king on it, for you know, the king, the chess puzzle king. You know. So I'm leaving that in there, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to try to see if I can just leave this back in there. So I'm gonna resume, and let's put this thing back together. So usually when I put things back together it's hard, but I don't know, this one seems easy. So this thing could have been the one stopping, but this like fits through here, so I was able to pull it out from this little notch right here, because this thing was able to like put it back in there. Then yeah, but I don't really understand how this played a role, because it seems like it was out. I got it back in. Like probably why this is all stuck. Hold on. Okay, so this is probably in there. This is just like a theory, but I kept moving it around, right? And so I moved it around to the point where I shifted it so there's a hole. So then it fell back into the hole, or I think so, like gravity pulled it down, and then it kind of got stuck there because this thing still wants to go up, I guess. And then that's how, okay. That was easy. I wasn't expecting that, guys, so there you have it. King chess puzzle. It's a good mediocre sort of puzzle. I kind of have experience, so this was a little bit easier. So maybe this can be a good beginner. I don't know. It's slightly expensive though. $40 for like something this big. Okay, this is a king. This is the chess puzzle king, and